This is an A1. It's had some damage to the front door and the air post, and also it's damaged where the doors hit the wing here and further up here. If I open the door, you can see where it's been damaged. So it's been damaged around the check strap, also the hinges. It's had 2 new hinges. So I'm going to get this prepped and get this painted up. The door's ready. Obviously some damage there. That's the new door. We've got a bonnet repair and blend. We've got a wing repair and an air post repair. The damage is down there and it's inside all that there. I'm going to do a little blend on that sill and air post. So I've just let it flash off for 10 minutes before I put it on bake. Everything looks good. Well, you can see down there I've done a little fade out. You can't tell though. It's in there. Nice little fade out up there. Wing repaired. New door and repair blend. It's now time for a bake. just needs building up now, and it's good to go.